Let us attempt our first example on simultaneous equation. Our first example on the substitution method. Okay, so our first example now. Here we go. We have x minus 2y is equal to 4 as our first equation. That's you're to solve x minus 2y is equal to 4. And the second equation is 2x plus 5y is equal to 17. I repeat, solve x minus 2y is equal to 4 and 2x plus 5y is equal to 17. Okay, now let's attempt this question. Now here we have two linear equations and they have two unknown quantities, which in this case are letters x and y, that we need to solve, that we need to find. So for the first one there, we have x minus 2y is equal to 4. X is an unknown quantity. Y is also an unknown quantity. Okay. But then we have 4. So right now, here, don't rush, don't go to the second equation yet. Don't go to the second equation just yet. Hold on. So now, of course, on your screen, we are having x minus 2y is equal to 4. X minus 2y is equal to 4. This x you're seeing will have to be used as the unknown that will have to be isolated. It has to be the unknown that will be isolated. It has to be the unknown that will be the subject of the formula. So it's the one we want to use or make as the subject. When you are told in mathematics, make so and so the subject of the formula. So we're going to try now to make x our subject of the formula. So you have x minus 2 is equal to 4. Now, let's make x the subject of this formula. Let's make x the subject of this formula. Yes. Yes. So now, the first thing you need to do here is to try and see how you can make anything that's around. There are a lot of terms there. X is a term. We have 2y. We also have 4. So 2y is actually the focus point now, because we need x to be the subject of the formula. We need that x to be the subject of the formula. So we need to take this 2y away from this side of the equation, and we have to what? Transfer the 2y to this other side of the equation. Yes, take this to the other side of the equation. By doing that, we're now going to make our x to be the subject of the formula. which already I've explained that the subject, I've already explained that the subject of the formula is you only trying to make an unknown to be standing alone. Yes. So take your 2y to the next or to the other side of the equation. By doing that, your minus 2y will now change. Your minus will change to plus. So your minus 2y will now be plus 2y at the other side of the equation. So we're now going to be having this simple expression. X is equal to 4 plus 2y. X is equal to 4 plus 2y. Simple!